Ever pondered the secret to crafting authentic pad ki mao at home? Today, unravel the mystery behind this beloved Thai dish, also known as drunken noodles. With a handful of ingredients and a dash of culinary flair, you too can master this flavorful sensation. Begin by gathering the necessary ingredients. You'll need wide rice noodles, chicken, shrimp, beef or pork, fresh Thai basil leaves, bell peppers, onions, garlic cloves, bird's eye chilies, soy sauce, fish sauce, oyster sauce, sugar and lastly, a hint of white pepper. First, plunge the rice noodles into a bowl of warm water. Leave them to soften while you prepare the remaining ingredients. Next, take your boneless chicken, shrimp or meat and slice them into bite-sized pieces. Set these aside for the moment. Now turn your attention to the vegetables. Slice the bell peppers and onions into thin strips. Mince the garlic and bird's eye chilies finely. Remember that chilies pack a punch, so adjust the quantity to your preference. Once you've prepped all the ingredients, heat a wok or large frying pan over medium-high heat. Add a splash of oil, then toss in the minced garlic and chilies. Sauté them until they release their fragrant aroma. Next, introduce the meat and fish pieces into the wok. Stir-fry them until they're cooked through and golden brown. Then it's time for the vegetables. Add the sliced bell peppers and onions to the wok. Stir-fry them until they're just tender, yet still maintain a slight crunch. Now drain the softened rice noodles and add them to the wok. Stir them in gently, ensuring they're evenly distributed among the meat, shrimp, and vegetables. Finally, it's time to create the signature pad ki mao sauce. Combine the soy sauce, fish sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, and white pepper. Pour this over the noodles, stirring well to ensure every ingredient is coated in this tantalizing blend. Just before serving, toss in a generous handful of Thai basil leaves, stir them in until they wilt slightly, infusing the dish with their distinctive aroma. And there you have it, a plate of authentic pad ki mao, ready to be savored. This versatile dish brings together the perfect balance of savory, sweet, and spicy flavors, underscored by the fresh, aromatic Thai basil. In summary, start by soaking your rice noodles and preparing your ingredients. Sauté the garlic and chilies, then stir-fry the chicken, followed by the vegetables. Add the noodles and stir in the sauce, finishing with a flourish of Thai basil leaves. This delightful Thai dish is sure to impress, and with these simple steps, you can recreate the magic of pad ki mao in your own kitchen. So why wait? Give it a try and let the taste of Thailand come to life on your plate.